Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use Swiggy Genie. Swiggy Genie allows you to send or receive almost anything within your city, such as food, documents, or laundry. However, it's important to note that the service is currently temporarily paused or unavailable in most major Indian cities due to operational constraints. Now, if it is available in your location, here's how you could do it. First thing first, you want to install the latest version of the Swiggy app from your app store and create an account. Moving on, you then need to open the app and look for the Swiggy Genie somewhere labeled or pick up and drop item somewhere here. Once you do that, or once you click onto it, then you want to select the set pick up and drop location button. You will need to enter the full address for both the pick up and drop off point along with contact details for both the sender and the recipient. Then you have to pick a task from a provided list or describe what needs to be done. You can add more details or upload a pictures of the item for clarity as well. Then you need to review the summary of your task details, apply any discount code, and proceed to payment. Note that only online payment methods are typically accepted. Once the order is placed, the delivery partner will assign you to track their location in real time until the task is completed. So that's how you could go ahead and use Swiggy Genie. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.